Hello, Catherine here from BBC Learning English. Just so you know, this programme is from the BBC Learning English archive and was first broadcast in April 2010 on our website. And now, on with the show.
You're listening to Newswords. BBC journalist Claire Arthurs talks about words and phrases commonly used in news reports. Today's word, roadmap.
I enjoy looking at maps of foreign countries, especially their cities. A map. It's a diagram of a physical area, with a street map or road map showing the routes to get from one place to another by turning right, left, going straight ahead, and so on. In English, we also use road as a metaphor. There's the road to ruin, the road ahead, to road test a new product. But before you feel any road rage, let's turn to a word you'll hear in the news, the Middle East Roadmap. This roadmap refers to a specific plan for peace in the Middle East. It contains a timetable with specific steps for a solution to the long-running conflict between Israel and the Palestinians. The steps include an end to violence, the creation of a Palestinian state, elections, and Arab states making peace with Israel. The roadmap's been pushed down the news agenda by other stories, including more recent developments in the Middle East. But if the Middle East roadmap is not so much in the news, other roadmaps are. The terms become popular, and there's now a roadmap for democracy in Burma and another for peace between India and Pakistan. Roadmaps set out a plan for where to go and how to get there. But they don't carry a guarantee of success, and I'm sure most of us know what it's like to argue about where we're going and which way to turn.
That was Newswords from bbclearningenglish.com.